Okay, for the past several videos, we have been kind of getting lost in the weeds of these formulas and stuff. I want to kind of just show you a big picture. All of these are hypothesis tests, and I want you to notice that they're all kind of the same formula, just rearranged. You'll remember that I said that statistics was, is this number far enough away from this number to matter? And that's kind of what all these tests are. With a proportion, we did the proportion from our sample minus the claim. How far apart are those two numbers? And then we divide by something that resembles standard deviation. So here's our claim, here's our actual result. How many standard deviations away is it? And that's the same with this one. Here's from our sample, here's the claim, how far away is the sample from the claim, and then convert that into standard deviations. If they're really close, we fail to reject. If it's a big critical value, if it's a big test statistic, then we will reject. And so that's kind of the idea. So on all these formulas, this number minus this number divided by something with standard deviation. This number minus this number divided by something standard deviation. This number minus this number, standard deviation. This minus this, standard deviation. This minus this, standard deviation. So hopefully you kind of see the similarities between all these formulas. And although they change slightly based on what your situation is, they're all sort of the same idea. I look forward to moving on to chapter 9. I think we aren't going to do any examples of standard deviations, so we won't have to worry about the chi-square distribution for now. In the future, I may make that video. And same with this formula. We've already done this one in previous chapters. This one I think we can skip too, but I may make a video about that someday. All right, I hope that is making sense. Let me know if you have questions, and I will see you in chapter 9.